Okay, so this is lesson 1 of the chemical analysis topic, which is topic 8 of chemistry. Right, okay, so oxygen is an element. It travels around in pairs as a gas, so it's what's known as a diatomic molecule. Okay, but it's an element because it's only made from oxygen. Water is a compound. The hydrogen and the oxygen are chemically bonded to each other. Okay, so made from 2 different elements that are chemically bonded to each other. Okay, oxygen will be a solid underneath that temperature. Anything less than minus 218.4, oxygen will be a solid. It will melt into liquid oxygen at minus 218.4. Water has a melting point of 0.0. Why have I put the point 0 in place? I'm staying consistent. 1 decimal place there, 1 decimal place there. It's important to stay consistent with your decimal places. So that means underneath 0.0 degrees Celsius, then it is a solid. At that temperature, it melts. Okay? Sometimes, experimentally, when we think we've got pure oxygen, or we think we have got pure water, the value might be slightly out. Okay? Now, what does that mean if your value is not 0.0 degrees Celsius for water? It means that it is impure, okay, which is incidentally the name of my new fashion brand. Okay, so a pure element or a pure compound will melt and boil at a specific temperature. Pure water will always melt or freeze at 0.0 degrees C. Okay? If you add something to the substance, then you will change the boiling point or the melting point. For example, here is my person out with their salt wagon at winter. Salt lowers the melting point of the water. So that means that ice will start to melt at a lower temperature, a colder temperature. Therefore, that will help the ice turn into water at a lower temperature and therefore cause a de-icing effect. So that's why we put salt on the roads. The pure substance means nothing has been added to it. Okay? It's unadulterated, it's in its natural form. If a substance is impure, the melting point and the boiling point will change.